Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable camera effects during WhatsApp video calls. If you want to add some fun filters or effects to your video calls, this updated feature will let you do just that. Let's dive into the steps to get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're in the app to make the changes. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the settings menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Step 4. Now, scroll down a little bit and you'll see the option to allow camera effects. This setting is turned off by default, but you can easily enable it. Step 5. Simply enable the Allow Camera Effects option and then tap on Continue to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully enabled camera effects for your WhatsApp video calls. Now you can use fun filters, stickers, and other cool effects during your video chats to make things a little more exciting. Thanks for watching.